In today's video, we'll show you how to place pending orders, that is, stop and limit orders, on RTrader Pro. Let's pull up the order book to start placing trades. Type in the instrument name. Next, make sure the correct account is selected. Set the quantity and let's start with placing limit orders. To place a buy limit order, click in the blue column titled Bid Size, anywhere below the market price. In the order book, the market price is highlighted in orange. You can see we've now placed 2 buy limit orders. To place sell limit orders, click above the market price in the column titled Ask Size. Next, let's place some stop orders. For buy stop orders, click in the column titled SM above the market price. For sell stop orders, click in the same column below the market price. The number next to each B and S indicates the total quantity open at this price, across all orders for the instrument. The orders you place will be visible under the Working Orders tab in the Recent Orders window till they are filled. Here, you can see all the stop and limit orders we just placed. And that's it. Placing pending orders on RTrader Pro is that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.